Good morning guys. Ayan, it's already morning. Looks guys, the mountain is this is the view of morning. Look at the sky. Wow, very nice view. See, looks guys. All right. Early morning guys, we made a barbecue here with my bro Odias.
Good morning.
Ayaw. Kailangan patay na how to shut down there. Ayaw. We have their eggs. We're making a barbecue like that. We have sweet corn, a tea, and a chicken, hot dogs, bananas. If you want a tea, we have here coffee. If you want a lugaw, we have a rice. See? A lot of stuff we have guys. If you want a wood out there, we have charcoal of course. Ano hanap mo bro?
Ipatungan ba?
Galit na yung relo. Paplano ko yung akyat sa taas. Kayo gising.
Hello guys. Mantika guys.
Hmm.
Is this the oil? Hello guys, good morning. Nasa katapat sa'yo?
Nandiyan siya yan. Yan. Sa konti. Ayun. Kitang kita. Sabihin mo kina ate. Manood sila ng YouTube natin ha.
Sino?
Si asawa mo ba?
Naka-live ka ba?
Hindi. Walang data.
Ubus na.
That is our morning meals. Egg. that eggs that we gonna eat this morning.
Walang ano no, salt.
Salt.
Plus salt bro.
Pero wala. Yo. Yo. Di nga nakainit eh. Good morning guys, now we are here outside of our tent and here is mine and this is for my friend, and that one, Michael, Jeanette, and there's 1, 2 and
Tao na agad sa tuktok oh.
bro. Fried eggs. Look at that sky and the mountain. Yesterday we there. That there. That tough hills. There. Look at hills. Rocky Mountain. Actually, it's dangerous, but I know. Uy, may nakita akong butas.
Oo.
Ayun bro, butas. Sa kabila rin mayroon. Puntahan kaya natin. There's a...
May sawa dyan.
May dragon. There is one, no? Did you see that, guys? That hole? And that there's also a little bit big mountain is there. Oh, look at that. Yeah. All right. Yes, 30. We are on the top of that hill. Yes. Yeah, there's a flag. Half race. Yesterday we climbed there about 290 meters. We passed through this way, that way, like there, that way there, and go that back of that hills along the way. See guys, did you see that? That is very from our position, from my position right now. If we go for a trail, it's about 290 meters. Yeah.
Parinta ko yung ano ko parinta ko yung tent ko Ihi. 5 pesos.
And then that is a trail from top to down. 700 something step, if I'm not mistaken, 700 step down to top and top to down. You see that yeah,